Talking terminology, the term blemish. What does it mean, and what are we looking for, and what does it look like?
Well, a blemish can be a spot, it can be a lump, it can be an indentation in muscle, there's so many things it can be, really.
As I'm looking at myself on the camera, I see a little blemish.
You got a zit.
I got a little blemish right here in my face.
Go get you some zit buds. And normally we think of these as, if your horse isn't lame, it basically moves okay. Oh, it's not a problem, it's just a blemish. But some of the blemishes can have some long-term effects.
The term used to refer to a cosmetic flaw and that is noticeable, but not interference to the intended use of the horse, may be inherited characteristic or some result of an injury or trauma, and that's the definition of the word blemish.
Right.
And also warning lights for farriers or horse owners.
Right. Some of these blemishes can be a warning light. If you got a notch in the muscle or something like that, may have been from a kick, and the blemish is some scarring, and that can affect movement patterns of the horse, which affects, well, everything. So it's always something you need to pay attention to as a farrier. When you evaluate your horse, you take a good look over, and it's like the horse we were talking about with the feet. When I first looked at the horse, said it was dropping the shoulder, they're like, the horse is standing in the ties. I asked the trainer, she says, yes, that's a bit of a time dropping that right shoulder. So, well, we can work with that. And the owner's like, well, how do you know? It's in the muscling. And the lack of muscling, lack of use, should less range of motion on that side. And just the way the horse looked, and a lot of experience looking at horses.